Good exercise.
It'd be like 30 minutes. Our boys we were jumping that lake. It's really hot.
Yeah, we were actually on our way to go check out health.
Oh, really?
Well, we came up too late last night up here, and we didn't realize it was going to be so crowded.
Yeah, I know.
And we were just like, oh, this place is horrible, you know. And then we're listening to like all these stories about bears, you know, all the rules that they have. We have like a bike, you can't do anything. So we're like, well, let's go see the other place, how crowded it is over there. We think it's going to be crowded.
Not a lot of people know about Hellhole, but usually not. Back in the day, a lot of people that come here.
That's what I heard. It used to not be so crowded, and now like this weekend is like so crowded.
Our husband's pretty much grew up here.
Oh, okay.
I think really Hellhole's not. I've never really been there. They used to be all the time, but I really think that it's not too much of a. You should ask him if you could get up there. Did you ask anyone if you could up there? You know?
If we could ride what?
Your quads and stuff up there.
Oh, the dirt bike?
Yeah.
We just came up, so we haven't, like, the ranger station is closed.
Okay. We'll ask Johnny. We'll ask them if you can ride up there. They'd know.
Well, I know there's a four-wheeling park up there.
Is there?
I don't know if it's like a designated park, but I know